Want your TD online transfers to clear faster? Follow these practical, proven steps. Most delays happen because of account mismatches, insufficient funds, or unverified recipients. Start with a quick checklist: correct account numbers, sufficient balance, and matching names. Prefer Interac e-Transfer or TD Instant when the recipient can accept it immediately. Avoid cutoff delays by scheduling transfers before bank processing times each day. Now open TD Online Banking and navigate to the Transfers or Payees section. Sign in securely, then select Transfer Money or send Interac e-Transfer. Double-check recipient details. Transit, institution, and account numbers must match exactly. Enable Verified Payee or add the recipient as a trusted contact to speed processing. When available, choose Instant or Interac options and confirm the recipient accepts them. Maintain a buffer in your account and clear pending holds before scheduling large transfers. Take a moment now to review transfer settings, update payees, and reduce future delays.